Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will show you where you will get all the necessary project file and complete project source files. For finding out our project file which I used in particular that course, you have to go to your course content and there is a section 1 as the introduction. And here there is a section 3 as the exercise file for download. And here also they have one of the option as a resources and that is the exercise file.zip. So whatever the materials I used on particular that course, you will get all the things into this folder. So that is the zip file. First of all, you have to download it and then you have to extract that file. And when you extract that file, then you will get this type of some of the folder. One is the MDB file, that is a XAMPP file. That means that if you want to update your PHP version, then you can work with this one. So I will already discuss about that things with you, how you can update your localhost PHP version. And also there is a project backup file. And into the project backup file here, there is a two type of project. That is a laravel 6 code project, all that source file with the SQL file, and also there is a user authentication system, all that file you will get from to this folder. I hope this all that file will help you a lot. I will try to keep this course up to date all the time and I will add more videos related with laravel 6 for you. I am here for help you as much as I can. So don't hesitate to let me know about your issues. I will be in your touch. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.